So let's move to our next factory. That is Dongguan Diguang Lighting Technology Corporation. Welcome. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Good afternoon. I am Casey from Lighting. So may I have your name, please?
Hello.
Hello. Can you hear me?
My name is Kevin.
Kevin?
Yeah.
Okay, Kevin. Hello. Welcome take part in our lift shock event. So now we have 15 minutes to take a view of your company and your products. So could you give us a detailed introduction of your company first?
Okay, thank you. Okay, so here we go. As you know, Dongguan Diguang is a professional manufacturers and suppliers of advertising lightbox LED lighting source products since 2009. We are major in LED backlight lighting, LED edge lighting, LED module, helix for LED strip, LED LED Bar and LED power, which are many apply in advertising and decoration industry. We also have customized and OEM service to assistance client to optimize their advertising and signage lighting industry. Our products have been widely used in airport, subway, bus station, shopping mall, hotel, home decoration, and other industry of lightbox lighting, signage lighting, and backlight decorative lighting. Right now, DiGuang have wide range. Right now, we have wide range LED lighting strip provided to customers, helping customers better explore market and meet customer need. Right now, our products have been approved by customers from more than 14 countries for its excellent quality and professional service. To be the best, most professional signage and billboard solution provider, DiGuang LED will devote itself to create you a more wonderful lighting world. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, could you show us your product?
Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. So, but right now I will show you two series. So this is our first series product. It is just used in the LED advertising light box.
Light box?
Just hold on. So you know this is a LED backlight lighting strip. It is designed as the advertising light box lighting source, mainly used in the single-side backlit light box size and soft sealing in both indoor and outdoor application. Adopt the high bright 2835 LED chips as the lighting source with the low thermal resistance, no dark spot, and no light decay, and good uniform illuminations. Unique glue waterproof technology make it perfect for the outdoor application. Also, we just adopt a lumen PCB board with better heat dissipation. Right now, we have the opticals wider beam angle in 135 degrees PMMA lens, providing soft big arrow illumination for the advertising light box and signs. This is a brief introduction. Thanks. Okay, so right now I will tell you the details of our LED backlit strip. So right now I will just open the package. Here we go. you will find they have 20 pieces strip just as a curtain, as a strip, you know. So right now, the first, I would like to introduce our product just like the LED chips. You know, this is our LED backlight strip, and we use the Sanan LED chip in 2835 with the high lumen. The light efficiency have already reached 130 lumen per watt, and also we have different color temperatures for customers. Different applications, just like the 2008 color 2008 Kelvin, and for 4,500 Kelvin. Also, we have 6,000 Kelvin, and we have 12,000 Kelvin for customers. Also, there are the double chip LED chip with stable performance. The second, you will find we use the PMMA LED lens for better illumination. The beam angle is 175, which provided a more wider illuminations for the applications. Okay, the third part is the PCB board. You know, we use the aluminum PCB board, and the thickness is 1.0. They have a better heat dissipation functions. Okay, now the fourth part is we adapt the safety input voltage design. They have the DC 12 voltage and DC 24 voltage. So right now, most customers just like choose the DC 12 voltage because it is very safe, and it could be just like, you know, maybe we could do some replace, or we need to do some upgrade. It is very, very safe. This is the fourth part. So the fifth part is it is very, very convenient for installation. So you will find it is the design. It's just like a curtain. It's just like a curtain. It is very convenient for custom installation. So when customer just going to install this strip, they just want to screw this hole, and this hole. Maybe she can just put 1, 2, 3 screws just to fix this LED light strip, and she can do this. Also the LED backlight strip is cuttable design. It's just like you can, this is just like 1 meter, and you think it is too long. So you can just cut the PCB board with your tools. And just like you will find they have the path to cut the PCB board to the size which you want. So, I want to show you the sixth part. The sixth part is about the application. So, you know, our LED backlight strip is major design for the advertising light box and the signage and the billboard in both indoor and outdoor applications. And it is preferred for the application with 6 to 25 centimeters. They have a good performance. But as you know, when the heat is over 13 centimeters, so you will choose another LED backlight strip.
Wow.
And the last part is we will offer 2 years warranties for this LED backlight strip.
2 years,
I
right?
hope this product you will like it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for your detailed introduction. We know a lot about your products, about the warranty, about the waterproof IP. How about the certification?
You know, our products have export to the Europe and the to the Africa and American. right now we have the CE certificate and the UL and the
UL.
TUV. Also, we are applying the ETL certifications to satisfy the most customers' demand.
Okay. How about the NOQ?
Sorry?
How about the minimum order quotation?
Oh, yeah. The MOQ is just one pieces.
Just one pieces?
Yeah,
Wow,
MOQ.
that's great.
Yeah.
Many customers want to take a pieces to test or for sample.
Yes.
Okay.
Free sample is okay, and we can offer you free sample if you want to test this product.
Okay. How about the delivery cycle?
The deliver?
Yes, the lead time.
Okay. So right now for the small order, the lead time is just 5 to 7 days, and for the bulk order, it's 2 weeks, maybe to 15 to 20 days. It's all right.
Okay, that is quick. It's very fast. Can you show us the effect of the light? Can you show us the effect of the light?
In fact,
the effect, yes. How about turn on the light? Can you show us?
You just want light to light on the light. Okay, come on. So right now I will try to just lighting this LED strip.
Okay. Oh, you can show us the project you have made before. Which projects use your backlight, and we can see the effect.
Okay. So, oh yeah, maybe it is a little so bright, and this is our product. Just I just light it, and it is very safe, and I can just touch it by my hand.
Okay. So, do you have anything to share with us?
So right now, our product have already installed in the Walmart and in the Home Depot. Also, we have do some project in the gas station in India.
Okay. Yes. Thank you, Kevin, for your detailed introduction. You can leave your contact information in the comment area, then our customer will contact you directly. Yes. Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Kevin.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. See you next time.
Okay. See you next time.